Auzubillahiminash-shaytanir-rajim. Bismillahir-rahmanir-rahim. Dear students of 10th class, we are dealing with the chapter political parties. Yesterday we learned the ideologies of different these regional and national parties. Today we will learn what is the difference between the national party and the regional party. National party, as by the name you know that it is the party which has its branches, which is spread over the whole nation or the whole country. For example, we have Indian National Congress. It is a nationwide party. Its members are in the every nook and corner of the nation, in India. Similarly, we have the Bharatiya Janata Party. It is the national party. It has also its members in all parts of the country. We have the Communist Party of India, the Communist Party of Marxist, and this Janata Dal. These are the national parties. Similarly, we have the regional parties, like we will talk on the regional parties of our state, like National Conference, People's Democratic Party, this People's Conference, Awami Ittihad Party, People's Movement, and other parties. So there is a difference between the national party and the regional party. National party generally has its influence in all over the country. A party which is a nationwide, it has its influence. It wants to work out the problems of whole nation. The people living in every corner, in any corner of the nation, are looked by this national party. While as the regional party does not have influence in all over the country, but is confined to a particular area or state. Like as I told you, like this National Conference, People's Conference, People's Democratic Party. They have their members in the state of Jammu and Kashmir, and they take the care, they solve the problems, they look the interests of the state. A regional party has units all over the country. A state party has units in different parts of the state only. A national party always gives priority to national issues instead of issues of any particular area, whereas the regional party gives emphasis on regional issues and tries to develop its influence in a particular state. It means that this regional party is confined only to the areas, to the parts of the state, whether it may be the whole part of the state or it may be a part, it may be the region of a state. But the national party looks the whole nation. As the state parties or the regional parties look the interest of the state, same is the national party. It looks the interest of the whole country. So, my dear students, you today learned the difference between these two, the regional parties and the state parties. It is all for today. Let us go ahead, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.